Stop doing that. Don't pick up the trash like that. You know you can injure your back doing that.
No.
All right. So three most common thing that it can happen if you pick up the trash like that. Muscle sprain. We don't like that. Believe it or not, by bending and picking up things like that, it can affect your disc. Bulging disc, tear of the disc. Then sometimes when you go up and you feel stuck, yep, we don't want that. So I'm gonna show you guys 4 simple steps to properly pick something out of the floor. So Dr. Bentley is gonna demonstrate that. So the first thing that we want to do is to keep your back straight. Okay. Then when we're gonna go up, we're gonna bend the knees. Good. And when we're coming up, instead of using the low back muscles, we're gonna use the leg muscles and glutes, just like that. So that way we can prevent any injury on the low back. So if you're suffering for this or experiencing pain, come to Lowe Chiropractic, get exam, get the plan, and get the result that you're looking for.